It's just that we're used to not having a smaller amount. Now, the other thing about Congress and about spending is that there's gridlock right now. Nothing's getting done. Nothing's going through. That's good too. When they can't get in there and make laws and change things, that's very good. We like that. So all of this gridlock that's been happening, the market likes. I'm not going to get into the whole political thing, but the conditions that we see right now are actually very positive for buying stocks right now. The other thing we're worried about is home prices and the housing market. We are seeing a turnaround in the housing market here in Arizona. We are going up in pricing. The average still is going down all across the United States. Here in Phoenix, we're starting to go up. Housing starts in February were 5.7%, up 5.7%. That's the biggest number that we've seen in about 3 years. January housing starts were 1.7%. So the change is starting to become pretty dramatic, and we could see a good rebound in the housing industry. We think that's going to happen. One of the things we still have to look out for are all the foreclosures that are going to hit the market, because the economy is still, the banks are still holding those foreclosures. So that will slow everything down a little bit. But like I said, we don't want it to explode. We want it to go nice and slow and steady, mostly so that you can buy some stocks. Okay? You want to buy these stocks at this price here. Hold on to them like they're your treasures forever, as long as you can. Tax advantage, great value, transparencies, you know what you have, terrific. So what's the solution? Build a treasure chest of assets. Put your safety money there, of course, your short-term emergency money, you got to have that. Have your house, you got to have your house. Have your education funds for your kids, but put stocks in them. Put stocks, buy stocks. Buy some wonderful companies that are available to you now, making a lot of money for you. You know exactly what they are. What you have to do, though, is get good advice. You've got to know what to buy, when to buy it, and when to sell it. Now, right now, when to sell it is going to be in a long time. In a long time. Let's buy these and hold on to them and watch them grow. We don't buy things at Bowood Partners that we're going to trade. We don't buy it because it's going to go up next week, or because they're going to have a new product or something like that's going to make it go up. We buy it because it's going to be your retirement, it's going to be your fortune, it's going to be your legacy. That's why we buy it. So the main thing is, let's buy some good value, some safe companies that have a lot of worth to it that will continue to make you money. And when the market goes up and when interest rates go high and everybody's had a big party and it's a lot of euphoria and people are all saying, oh my gosh, it's never going to end, like they did back in 2001. It's never going to end. I will be telling you to sell. I will be telling you to sell. And I will be telling you to buy bonds. Because by that time, interest rates are going to be going up and bonds are going to represent a good value. So, but that's in the future. Now is the time to buy American stocks. U.S. blue chip stocks that are paying good dividends. And that is my presentation tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all of your attention. Thank you for being my clients. And I look forward to talking to you.